IntelliScientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important simple machine, the pulley. We see pulleys all around us, especially in wells and in curtains. Are you ready to make a model of the pulley? From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Simple Machines Activity Kit. Take out the pulley stand pieces, pulley, marbles, thin bamboo stick, thread, hook, foam base, marble holder and the foam washers from the Simple Machines Activity Kit. Let's start. Take the foam base and mount the two pulley stand pieces in the slits given in the base, like this. Now take the stick, insert it into the first pulley stand piece, then into the pulley and then into the second pulley stand piece. As you can see, the pulley is movable, so we have to fix it with the foam washers. Take one washer and fix it near the pulley, like this, and another one on the other side. Similarly, fix two more washers outside the pulley stand pieces. You can now see that the stick is also fixed now. Now it's time to fix the thread. Open the thread and wind it around the pulley, like this. Pulleys use ropes, belts, chains and wires etc. for their transmission. Insert 4 marbles into the marble holder and tie one end of the thread to this hole. You can use a pencil to insert the thread into the hole. Now, tie the other end of the thread to this hook. When we pull the hook from one side, the pulley helps us to lift the marble holder very easily. Whenever we wish to lift a heavy load, it requires a lot of effort. Pulleys change the direction of the applied force and thus make our work easier. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.